Hey folks, severe thunderstorm warning still in effect until 6:15 for a very small part of southeast Cameron County. Basically, Port Isabel, South Padre Island. In fact, Port Isabel is now out of the warning. It's just the island down to Boca Chica Beach, and you can see that storm has cleared that area, so that warning will be allowed to expire at 6:15. But it dropped some small hail in Port Isabel, probably on the island as well. That now moving away. Now let's go back a little bit to look at the rest of Cameron County. You can see that's just about it. Down to the south, that is one big storm that formed right along the Rio Grande. That one formed where the sea breeze met the outflow, basically two wind gust fronts coming together. And that's a big storm down there. That's producing some large hail, but it's in Mexico and should stay there. Willacy County quiet now. Hidalgo County has gone quiet. Then we go to Starr County, two pretty hefty thunderstorms. Not severe, but a lot of thunder and lightning embedded within those, and probably some gusty winds as well. Those are moving to the southeast. And if we go to the bigger picture, you kind of get an idea. We had the one wave come through this morning, and then here's this afternoon's mess. There's this morning's, and here's what came in this afternoon. And we had some hail in eastern Willacy County, eastern Cameron County, and now what's left is back here. But we push it out. There's still a little bit more back to the north. Not much, but a little bit. Most of it's south, but you see a scattering back here. I think there's still the potential for some showers and perhaps even another thunderstorm later on tonight into early tomorrow as this stuff continues to push out until this disturbance in the upper atmosphere gets out of here. Now, Future Track doesn't even see the stuff that's back here right now, but let's look. It says that isolated showers continue into the evening, but by tomorrow, most of it should be gone. There could be something left in the morning, but by afternoon, it's out of here, and we're back to some sunshine and slightly drier air, maybe briefly lower humidity. Wednesday, I think we see plenty of sunshine, and by Thursday, it could be a sea breeze shower show up, but for the most part, it's a dry day. But again, by then, enough moisture for maybe an isolated shower along the sea breeze. So tomorrow's mainly dry. Best chances early, and then Wednesday's dry, and then Thursday, we're back to about a 10% as the sea breeze comes back in. Look at the temperatures. 107, Rio Grande City. That's about to change. There's rain near there, but everybody else, look at the contrast. 79 in Weslaco where it's hardly rained, but we got that gust front that everybody else got an hour or so ago. 78 in Harlingen, 75 in Port Isabel where they just had the big heavy rain. Brownsville at 81. Here's tomorrow's highs. We're back in the 90s again, and again, tomorrow's a mainly dry day. If anything happens in the morning, that's it. It'll be done after that. 88 to over 100 across the area. Average high for early June is 94. And we'll be back above that as the system moves away, the air dries out, and we kind of get back to normal or beyond. This is what's going on. Big spinning of the clouds and the rain. There's an upper air low sitting right there. Wind flow coming around that. Little disturbances like spokes in a wheel come around from time to time. One of them coming across over the last couple of hours. Still moisture back behind this. Potential for another spoke to come through later tonight or even early tomorrow morning before this is over with. At the same time, this low is gradually moving away, and as it does, it warms the upper levels of the atmosphere a little bit, and we stabilize things a little bit, so our chance of rain starts to taper off. Then we're more stable for tomorrow and beyond, with the chance of rain kind of fading from the forecast. Weak front moves into Texas. That washes out long before it gets to us. So for tonight across the area, these evening showers and storms, partly cloudy later, a low of 76. Winds are kind of variable tonight as they kind of come and go with these thunderstorms. Then tomorrow, mainly dry. Could be a shower in the morning, but otherwise we see sunshine, a high of 96. Winds still pretty much variable. 96, 96, 95. I think we're seeing mainly sunny skies with maybe that brief sea breeze shower as we go through Thursday. Head into the weekend, for the most part, it's dry and it's hot again. Temperatures back into the upper 90s, and by Monday next, breezy and hot and 98 degrees. We will continue to track everything that's on radar and keep you up to date throughout the evening. That's your updated First Warn 5 forecast. We'll be right back.